Mr. Kei.
Good morning, ChaCha. How are you?
Sleepy.
I can show you a very good way to start a day.
Sleepy. Can I go back to bed?
This will wake you up and gives you energy all day long. Do you want to know what it is?
No. Can I go back to bed?
It is Matcha Smoothie.
Matcha. Again. Can I go back to bed?
It is pretty easy to make and it tastes so good. Let me show you how. Here is what you need. 2 teaspoons of matcha green tea powder, 2 cups of milk or water, 1 cup of ice, 1 cup of baby spinach leaves, 2 cups of frozen green grapes, and 1 frozen banana.
Why do you freeze grapes and bananas?
Well, I bought too much last week, so I froze them.
You are giving me leftovers. Thanks.
Well, actually, older banana tastes better with the smoothies.
No way.
Banana gets sweeter as it gets old, so you can freeze the leftovers and it gets pretty well with the smoothie.
Excuse?
I like using matcha for the smoothie because it is already powdered, but you can use loose leaf sencha as well. If you do use loose leaf tea, you can use a spice grinder or coffee grinder to powder them first.
I want pink tea.
Yes. You can even make pink tea by adding strawberries.
Ah! Pink tea.
Let's make one. Before you put anything else, first put matcha. Matcha is so powdery, so if you put it in the end, it tends to fly out and stick to the side of the blender.
Matcha.
You put the rest of them and add a cup of ice. Now if you use ice, you have to make sure that your blender is capable of crushing ice. Some blenders are not meant to be used for ice and it will break. If your blender is not meant for ice, you skip the ice. Banana and grapes are frozen anyway, so it still tastes good. I like adding some milk or plain yogurt too. You can actually add any kind of fruit here. I found that matcha and banana go so well together, so if you use them as the main ingredient, you cannot go wrong. Just add other fruits with them.
Too much information. My head hurts.
Let me switch the blender on.
Ah! Noisy.
Do you want to try it out?
So good! I love matcha smoothie!
Glad you like it. Thank you very much for watching! If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button below.
Subscribe please!
Now we have a question for you. What are your favorite ingredients you put in your smoothie? Comment below and let us know.